Hi, from RADE Garage. In this installation video, I will show you how to install our larger and longer Footpegs on CFmoto 450 MT. These parts you will get from us: Footpegs, springs for the Footpegs, pins which will help you to keep the boot on the Footpeg, and split pins to secure the Footpegs. We recommend you this tool: Allen key, size 2, pliers, cutting pliers, and a cross screwdriver. In this chapter, I will show you how to remove the original Footpegs from the bike. Before we can remove the original Footpeg, we need to take out this split pin. To do that, I recommend you to use cutting pliers, where you cut one side and the other, and then you can try to pull it out by normal pliers. When you remove the split pin, there is a washer which will fall out. Then you will push the pin up, and then you can easily remove the Footpeg. Watch out for the spring. We prepare the Footpeg the way that we will insert these pins to each hole on the Footpeg. I recommend you to use Loctite for better securing of the pin, and you will need Allen key size 2. When you have installed all the pins to each hole on the Footpeg, take the spring and place it like this. In this chapter, I will show you how to install our larger and longer Footpegs on the bike. Take our Footpeg with prepared spring, place it like this, and then you will need to push it to the bike, and you will use again this pin to secure the Footpeg. You will reuse the original washer, and then you will use the split pin from us. You will push it through like this, and then you will open it like this. The installation of our longer and larger Footpegs are now complete, and I hope you will enjoy them in on-road and also in off-road.